Hi friends, welcome to Market Analysis channel. I'll be analyzing HBAR. Let's start at point 1. HBAR rally started, it was very strong, so good. It has a nice volume and it rise as long as it can until it hit point 2 where it got a reversal bar at 0.0987 and the volume was huge. Then HBAR stopped rising, it started dropping, the price keep coming down, it falls below the major moving averages and it dropped to a low of 0.0542. On getting the downward pressure stopped and HBAR rally a little bit, it touched the 21-day exponential moving average. It couldn't break through, it's heading back to the 0.3, but it couldn't get to 0.3 and suddenly it launched towards 0.4. It even rise above the 50-day moving average at 0.4, 0.0779. It stopped its little rally and the price keep coming down. It fall back to the 50-day moving average and now is touching the 200-day moving average. As the price is on the 200-day moving average, that's the new support zone because several price has been ranging towards that particular line. It has an outside bar. It has a bar that touches the 50-day line back and the next bar send it back down to the 200-day line. And our current bar now is trading outside the 200-day moving average. That is telling us that the downside pressure is strong and the upward pressure has been lost. With the way things are now, HBAR is showing a bearish sentiment as if the trade is heading down. It's not showing any bullish sign. Let me put in a trend line from 0.2 to 0.4 and see how it's reacting, because this is a downward trend line and HBAR is obeying the trend line, is bouncing off it. And let me draw a support trend line. A support trend line has been drawn, and as the price is now, HBAR price is trading on that trend line. The price stays there, is now at a critical point. We expect the price to bounce from this support zone or this trend line and volume should support it. If that could happen, HBAR will continue its rally and it will break above the upper trend line. But if HBAR couldn't break through that particular line, it's not going to get to its upper trend line and possibly it will start breaking down and it will head down. And if HBAR finally break down, our focus now our target will now be 0.0356. That's where we expect the price to revert, because that is the next support zone that can attract institutional traders to put in funds on HBAR. But at the moment now, the bias is on the downside. It's only in favorable of the sellers. Those buying should avoid HBAR for now, and those selling can continue with their order because it's going in that direction. If this analysis really helped you, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, like the video and put your question in the video comment box. Thanks for watching.